Hi, I'm Riley Starling. Welding Technologies has taught me several welding processes such as TIG, stick, MIG, and flux core. I like spending time in the shop where we can practice our welding skills. I keep getting better every day and I know I'm being well prepared to work in the field, so come join us next year in the shop.